In this video, I'm going to give a quick update on BetFury. BetFury is the best online crypto casino, and they have just opened fiat deposits and withdrawals. So I'm going to show you that right now. We now support more fiat currencies, and they have added 20 new fiat currencies. So this is amazing. You can deposit and withdraw your cash directly on the platform. Moreover, enjoy a 0% fee on your first deposit. So if you come in and you join BetFury today, I will leave a link in the description or the pinned comment. And if you join BetFury and you come in and you deposit $50,000, you're going to get 0% fee on that. So you're going to get the full $50,000 directly on your account to play with, which is very nice. And I've also just seen when I go to deposit, they also have a 200% active deposit bonus, which is insane. And there's actually a couple here. I'm not sure if this is just because I'm VIP, but yeah, this will last for approximately 4 days. And this weekend bonus, 25% deposit bonus, will last for 2 days. So I'm not sure if that's just because I'm a VIP member, but pretty incredible. And you can see all the list of currencies they've added here. They've added AED if you're in the United Arab Emirates. They've also added US dollars, euros, Australian dollar, Brazilian real, Canadian dollar, Danish, the pound, Indian rupee, Japanese yen, Korean. So a bunch of different currencies have now been added, which is really, really cool and nice to see. And it works just the same. So you simply open your wallet, click deposit cash, wallet, deposit cash. And then here you can select the different currencies, you select the amount, then you pick one of the available deposit methods. Now they have added Skrill, NetTeller, Pix, and SPEI. Agree to disclaimer, tap deposit, and the transaction will be done. The deposit will be active if you pass the KYC, the personal data, phone number, email, identity document, etc. Your credential information is only needed to validate the money transfer. And to withdraw, the process is exactly the same as depositing. Select the fiat currency in the drop-down, open your wallet, pick the suitable method. The withdraw button will be active if you fulfill the withdrawal conditions. The procedure is completed directly on BetFury. After you've completed all the above steps, wait for the transaction to complete. The minimum deposit and withdrawal amounts are displayed on the platform and may vary depending on your selected method. BetFury does not charge any additional commission to process the deposit or withdrawal. The amount you see is the amount you will get. Perfect. So if you don't know BetFury, you can play over 8,000 different slots, 20 plus original games, and you can bet on sports. And they have literally every single sport you can bet on you could ever think of. This site really does have it all, and you get so much rewards for playing on the platform. You can see down there, Jenny, as I'm a VIP member, I have a deposit bonus waiting. There is always a deposit bonus or just some sort of bonus in general. When it's your birthday, you will also get free cash. They have a bunch of different things. So definitely sign up to BetFury if you haven't already. If you're still playing on sites like Roobet and Rollbit and Stake, I really don't know what you're doing, because BetFury has so much more to offer. It's literally incredible what these guys have got going on. They've got their own token. So by playing on the site, you can actually earn BFG token and you can get rewards daily from the staking pool. They have over $500,000 in staking. Sometimes this fluctuates up to $1 million. And you can see the current APY is almost 11%. 21% if you stake your BFG, which means locking it up for a certain time. But this is fully liquid. I can completely just withdraw my BFG here, or I can go and gamble with it right now. So it's really, truly incredible, the BetFury platform. So if you did like this video, please leave a like rating, comment if you've got any questions, and subscribe if you'd like to see more crypto content like this.